Good morning. I have a best padlock that I received from Michael Snyder. It is a 7-pin cord, but it's only pin for 6. I've picked this thing to control a few times, but it is a lot harder to pick to control than it is to pick open. This is the bitting on the control key. This is the bitting on the operating key. So you can see the difference in the bittings. Okay, the operating key, the lock does work, and it's not a key retaining lock. Okay, it's locked up. So let's see if we can pick it open this morning. We're going to use this pick. We're going to go all the way to the back. We're going to try to use light tension. Don't know how successful it will be, but we'll try it. I think we got a little bit out of pin 5 and 6. See if we can get to the back again. We've got to try to keep very light tension on this lock till we can get the pin set. Okay, there was pin 4, I believe. Okay, there's pin 1. Okay, pin 6, or yeah, pin 6, so it doesn't have a 7th pin. Okay, we've got one pin that's not set, I believe. See if we can find which one it is. I think this does have some spools and serrated pins in it. I'm not sure. I'm not going to gut it. Okay, there it is, open. That's from Michael. I will try to get around to opening it up on control one day. But like I say, it is a lot harder to open on control than it is just operating range. And it is, like I said, a pin for 6 pins instead of 7. Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate it. That's our best 6-pin padlock open. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And please have a nice day if you can. We're sure having a lot of rain this morning. Thank you.